Dr. Off-Road Machine. Hit the like button and subscribe to keep up to date with the channel, and leave comments below.
Okay people, we got a little bit of an unboxing with a twist here. It's only a little tiny box. I'm only going to be upgrading my dual battery charge controller from an older ARB style to a newer style that's sealed with gel to stop all the chip from getting wet when I go through water crossings. The old ARB one, getting a bit tired. I've repaired it multiple times, so we'll see how this new one goes. It is, sorry, can't see that because of the glare from the light, a kickass 12 volt 140 amp dual battery volt sensitive isolator. So we'll see how it goes and how it works. Let's do the unboxing. So, little box comes open. Straight away, you've got instructions. Looks like pretty straightforward. Install, straight on instructions. Fairly simple. I'll put these up on the screen as well for everyone to have a look at and do a quick read through. Then out comes the actual isolator itself. It's got its own little plastic bag. There it is there. So a neat little isolator. Whoop. There's the back off. Now just to show everyone what I was talking about, that's the earth cable by the way people, don't worry about that. There, it's completely sealed in a gel, so there's no chance of the motherboard getting wet in water crossings. Sturdy connections, and inside of that you had your mounting screws that were just sitting in there like that. So fairly straightforward. It is the kickass 12 volt dual battery isolator, 140 amps. Cost me 20 bucks including postage. Can't complain about that. Very sturdy, everyone recommends them, so we'll see how it goes and I'll give everyone the review on that at a later date.
Okay, so before you go start the install, first things first, strip wires. Got a little O-ring connector on the earth. Simple tools, simple clamp, strong connection. Now before you start the install, everyone, make sure you remove the positive earth terminal, because you don't want to work with live wires and have it spark out on the body and cause your car to catch fire. This is the old ARB style, 120 amp, not sealed in the gel, it's open to the elements. So first things first, disconnect all the positive wires, make sure you've got them out of the way, and then you can start the install of your new battery isolator. If not, you've got to install the new isolator, run the new cable. My advice is from the main battery to the secondary battery, run quite a thick cable because it's a long run and you'll end up having voltage and amp drops through the run, so thicker the cable, the better it is for you. Okay, now you've got the old isolator out of the way, or you've got all your cables run. Now you start the connection of the kickass isolator by connecting the cables inside of the box, but make sure you screw down the mounting plate that holds on by 2 screws to where you're mounting it first, and then you should be underway once all that's done. It's quite a simple install once everything's in place. Now this is the fun part for me, trying to get the mounting plate in place, drill the little holes that need to be drilled for the screws to go in through the guard to hold it mounted properly. I always mount my battery isolators in the tightest place as possible, away from anything that I think may be an issue or cause heat, because I didn't really want the gel to heat up and maybe melt away. So I've mounted it right behind everything on my left hand quarter there. It's quite a fiddly thing to do, but I ended up getting it done. You just have to be persistent about it and not lose your cool. Okay, job done. Since installing this, we've gone out for driving. I've tested it, ended up getting mud everywhere through my engine bay and flooding the car. Keep tuned for that video, it's going to be quite interesting, full on. It was a good adventure. Just as a side note, if you're going to try to do this installation at home, make sure you put fuses on every positive cable that you run, because you don't really want it to spark out and blow all the electricals in your car, if not destroy your ECU or burn down your car.
Thank you for watching the video. As always, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and please keep tuned to the channel for more videos to come.